as requested, this is a video showing the radio being turned on and showing you the fault that is currently on the radio. Apply power, 12 volts, shows the setup, that's all fine. At the top meter you will see power, PWR 0.0W. As I key the mic, here's the mic all connected up to the radio. As I key the mic, the red light will come on and the power, PWR, should show the power output of the radio. Red light, no power. Okay, that should be showing approximately 4 watts or thereabouts, depending on the frequency being used. Okay, nothing, no power, just a red light, and that's all it's doing. Thank you.